pithed balls carrying equal charges are suspended from a common point by strings of equal length. The equilibrium separation between them is r. Now the strings are rigidly clamped at half of the height. What will be the equilibrium separation between the balls now? This problem involves two pithed balls carrying equal charges suspended from a common point by a string of equal length. Initially, they are at equilibrium with separation r. When the strings are rigidly clamped at half the height, the new equilibrium separation is to be determined. The forces that are acting on each ball in equilibrium are tension T in the string, gravitational force mg which is acting downward, and electrostatic repulsion Fe which is acting horizontally. Using the geometry of the triangle, let the string length be y and half the separation be r by 2. We get tan theta is equal to r by 2 by y, where theta is the angle the string makes with the vertical. The strings are now clamped at half their initial height, which means at y by 2. So the new geometry changes and let the new separation between the balls be x. Half the new separation will be x by 2 and the vertical height is still y by 2. Therefore, the new triangle gives tan theta dash is equal to x by 2 by y by 2, which is nothing but x by y. From the initial condition, tan theta is equal to r by 2 by y, and from the new condition, tan theta dash is equal to x by y. Since the geometry scales proportionally when the light is half, we get x is equal to r by square root of 2. Therefore, the new equilibrium separation between the balls is r by root 2. So the correct answer is option A.